Dear students, welcome to our chapter 4, pressure, bits and questions. In this chapter, the possible bits are: the force per unit area is known as pressure. The pressure exerted by a column of air extended up to outermost boundary layer of the atmosphere is known as atmospheric pressure. Pressure means force per unit area is pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by a column of air which is extended up to outermost boundary of the layer over a unit area, square centimeter or square inch, is known as atmospheric pressure. What is the standard atmospheric pressure? Standard atmospheric pressure is atmospheric pressure at 15 degrees centigrade, 45 degrees latitude in between the earth. So these come in the form of bits, possible bits in the pressure. Then importance of pressure for the cropland. So the bits are: because of dash, the plant growth is stunted in the higher altitude, oxygen and carbon dioxide. The possibility of dash presence is harmful to crop plants when grown on higher altitude, ultraviolet radiation. So like that, which would come in the importance of pressure. Now, after knowing force per unit area is known as pressure, atmospheric pressure, standard atmospheric pressure, bits in the importance of pressure. Then pressure distributions or variations: horizontal pressure distributions, vertical pressure distributions, cyclic or diurnal, seasonal. These are the four, right? So in this, the possible bits are: as the latitudes increases, equator is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The pressure usually increases. Pressure usually increases from equator to poles. Like that, which will come. As the height increases, the pressure decreases. So there the bit is: wind speeds are high at dash pressures. Wind speeds are high at dash pressure. Wind speeds are higher at higher altitudes. Okay, as the height increases. Like that, the bits will come. Another 2 to 3 bits will come in the basic atmospheric pressure patterns. Basic atmospheric pressure patterns. What are those? Cyclones and anticyclone. Here, centrally low pressure is known as cyclone. Centrally high pressure is known as anticyclone. The pressure in the cyclone is dash, decreases from the periphery, you should write. The pressure in the anticyclone is known as increases from the periphery. The possible weather elements in the cyclone are wind speed, clouds, rainfall. The possible, not possible weather conditions in the anticyclones: no high winds, no high wind speeds otherwise, no clouds, no rain. So like this, differences between the cyclones and anticyclones. Another very important bit that usually comes is, please note this one: the cyclones move in dash direction in the northern hemisphere. The cyclones move in anti-clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere. Because with reference to pressure and weather, there are two possible bits. What are those? As the pressure increases, clear weather, clear sunshine appears. As pressure decreases, cloudy weather occurs. These are the two possible bits. What are the units of measurement of pressure? Bars, millibars, centimeters, 760 millimeters, 76 centimeters, or 1013.25 millibars. This bit is possible. The standard atmospheric pressure in bars is 1013.25 bars. These are the possible questions. Like temperature, the points connecting the equal temperature are known as isotherm. The points connecting the points of equal pressure are known as isobars. These are the possible questions. May God bless you. All the best.